Good morning. Meteorologist Steve Krasnowski here. You there. A new week. Weather briefings. Storm Scoop. April 5th, 2021. Man, we're in April already. Anyway, we have April weather to talk about, so let's do just that. Today's weather, hot. Well, for some. Temperature anomalies of 20 to 30 degrees above average are possible today. We talked about this last week, especially in the northern to central plains. Record high temps are likely as these locations could approach 90 degrees. There's your bullseye right there. Radar shows a band of light rain pivoting southwards from an area of low pressure well offshore the Maine Maritimes. Temperatures are currently into the 30s across portions of western Maine, which is allowing the rain to fall as some snow in locations. This is due to a low pressure system off the coast that's just sort of sitting there, bringing some maritime tropical moisture into the northern New England area. And that storm will impact the coastline for many people. In the northeast, lots of clouds to the east today, sunshine to the west. You can see that indicative of the warmer temperatures, especially for New York City, even Long Island because it's a northwest wind. Breezy, definitely, and we have a fire warning or danger because we have very low humidity. So the recipes are there. Not much cooking weather-wise today, but things start back up tomorrow into midweek. We have a low spinning in, bringing up chances for the middle of the U.S. For some thunderstorms, Oklahoma, Nebraska, portions of northern Texas. And then we get into Wednesday, again, another round with rains hitting the upper Gulf this weekend. After that, to watch maybe stretching into the Florida Panhandle. So if you're in the south, central south into the southeast, some thunderstorms the next few days just to be mindful of. So we have some unsettled weather, but not necessarily bringing a lot of precip into the area. Just because it's unsettled doesn't mean it's going to do the job. Mid-Atlantic, pretty good in terms of picking up some very beneficial rains, but this looks very familiar to last year. We definitely had some drought problems. And again, sorry that we're jumping around, but it is going to be warm the next 7 days. So just be mindful of that as well. Something to always look back at is our to-date snowfall and our averages. Picking some random ones. We were lower in Maine this year. Binghamton's always one we always look at, higher than average for the year. Syracuse were down as well. It is usually one of our biggest gainers, but not this year. New York definitely has done a better job than they typically do. JFK goes with it. And then finally, I leave you with this. Troubling signs for the hurricane season are already emerging in the western Atlantic. Water temperatures are already above normal in most of the basin, shown as warm colors on this map. And you can see, although we have upwelling here along the immediate coast, it is definitely a little warmer than you would typically see at this time of year. So we'll start talking about the tropics soon as well. Meteorologist Steve Krasnowski, have a great day.